I walked down the street dressed as a screwdriver. I turned a few heads. What starts with E, ends with E, but has only one letter in it? Envelope. My mother always said the way to a man's heart was through his stomach. Great woman, terrible surgeon. Stop touching the goddamn thermostat. It's not a joke, stop it. My wife gave birth in our car on the way to the hospital. I named him Carson. What do you call a dictionary on drugs? High definition. How do you make holy water? You boil the hell out of it. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. Hey Dad Joke listeners, if you are a fan of the NBA, check out my other podcast called Yesterday's NBA Results. I'll give you a quick review of NBA results and the individual outstanding performances from each game. Search for Yesterday's NBA Results from your podcast app or check the show notes page for more info. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits and check out our Daily Dad Joke app on Android and Apple.